welcome to All About Lifestyle. It's Shraddha. So let's talk about today's video. Today's video is a DIY project. Actually, I've been eyeing on a brass coffee table since so many days, so I thought of making one rather than buying it. So yes, I created a brass coffee table literally from scratch, and it turned out so well. It's so interesting, unique, and it will surely grab the attention of my guests. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
Rich metal tables are so in trend these days, so let's start the DIY. This is an iron stand. I got it customized from a local welding shop and it cost me around 300 rupees. Now you can see that it has got 3 legs interconnected by this T-shaped rod, and this stand is going to be the base of brass tabletop. Since it is an iron stand, stick in color, and to convert it or give it a look of brass, I spray painted it with golden color. After drying at least for an hour, I gave it a second coat of spray paint and it is looking far better than I thought. Now the most tricky part of this DIY is this tabletop. Yes, so this is a Pital Parat which can be easily found in all Indian homes, and this was a gift from my mother, so I decided to use this Pital Parat as a tabletop. So in my case, I'm not going to stick it on that stand, I'm just going to keep it over it, and it is well maintained, it is well balanced on this stand. So this is how I made my portable brass table with only 2 things, and that are also easily accessible, and I loved it so much. Now, like all foldable furniture, this table is convenient for making the most of available spaces in my interior. So the first styling is styling as a corner table. This is one corner in my living room where there was an areca palm plant earlier. Now let's place this brass table as a corner table. You can see it is perfectly balanced. Since my living space is very small, so I'm just going to add a minimum decor, and I placed here a spider plant. So this is how it is looking, just perfect. Loving the aesthetic decor. You can see that this is ideal for this small corner. Next styling is a console table. A console table in the entryway provides a strong focal point and first impression for guests entering any home. So in this corner I'm going to place this brass table. Here also the decor is very simple. I just kept that brass vase and candle holder. Now you can see that golden is matching so perfectly and giving a rich, classy Indian look. Okay, coming to the next styling is to form a Zen corner. Since this corner is attached with a balcony, so I chose this corner to create a DIY relaxation space. Meditation has long been associated with sitting on ground, so this rug is going to serve that purpose. Now these decor addition giving the feeling of a sacred space. Sleek designs with neutral shades and only a few splash of colors can be a great way to decorate a meditation corner. Coming to the next styling is the Indian way of styling or floor seating decor. Now this space you have seen in so many of my videos. Now here what I have done, just added this brass tabletop or this parat and added these decors, and it's done. Now you can see that this area and decor has just reignited the space, made it so cozy and charming. next styling is to create a reading and tea nook for monsoon. And for this, I just changed the decor of this corner and added some books with plants. Nothing is better than book, tea, and a huge window to just watch the rain during monsoon. Now, in this way, you can create a reading nook during monsoon where you can simply sit in silence and let the sounds of raindrops take over, especially when it lands on the tiled roof or tiled floor. Now, at this spot, I can pass my time in a leisurely manner with a hot cup of tea and reading book. Now comes the last styling and using it as a low and high raised coffee table. For creating a floor level table space, I placed this ottoman which is made of jute and tire, and the video for this is in the description box. And again, I just added this brass parat and a simple decor that is only flowers on it inside a glass vase. Now the space is giving the vibes of a Moroccan decor. Mixing Moroccan style with modern gives that boho chic feeling to a finished look. It's so interesting how changing up just one piece in a room can change the entire look and feel of a room. For creating a high-rise table, I just replaced that ottoman with this iron stand and it's completely done. This Indian plus Moroccan, that is boho style, can be meshed with nearly every existing form of decor and is certainly a way to catch the eyes and hearts of each guest who enters our home.
That's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video a lot and making of a coffee table also. If you really did, then please subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon also for regular updates. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box for my upcoming projects and DIY ideas. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.